Okay, practice problem 1. Let's read and annotate. The graph below represents the height of flowers that Miss Klein is growing over a certain amount of time. What do they want us to do? Determine the rate of change and explain, that means words, what it represents. What does it mean in the real world? So here are our points right here, right? So you can pick 2 of those. It does not matter which 2 points you pick. I'm always going to pick the smaller numbers. So I'm going to choose this point. Guillermo